Hello, my name is Logan. We will be doing a rear brake pad change on a Kia Sportage 2016. We are going to use the Napa brakes, part number SS8267X. We will be using a 1316 socket. We'll be using a piston spreader to spread the pistons. We'll be using an impact gun and an air ratchet. First, you jack the car off the ground using an appropriate jack. So just jack the car up until the wheel is off the ground. Now we're going to remove the caliper with the 14mm socket for these screws back here, this one right here, and this one down here. Remove the piston. We will now use the piston spreader to impact this in. Piston compressed, we will now take out the old brake pads with a flathead screwdriver. We have removed the old brake pads. We will now remove the old pads hardware. This right here remove the top one, install the new top one, with the bottom, install the new bottom, install the new top, installed the new brake hardware. We will now install the brakes. But there is a difference between them. This brake goes back here because it has the brake indicator to see if it's worn down. This one goes in front and has no indicator. In. We will now put the caliper back on. The two bolts too. We're going to put the wheel back on. Now we're going to move to the other side to do the other brake. Both rear brake pads, we will now take it out for a test drive. But before you drive it, be sure to pump your brakes. Hope you enjoyed the video.